Hey guys, welcome back to the kitchen. So a lot of people ask me what I use to season my dishes when I'm cooking. So I love to use soy sauce because this is what I grew up with, but a lot of people have the question of what is tamari and what is regular soy sauce? What's the difference? So today I'm gonna talk about the process of tamari and where it comes from and the history and also different ways you guys can utilize tamari in your everyday dishes. Come on, let's get into it. The pan on hot, I'm adding in a little bit of olive oil. Gonna add in some ginger, also my onions, some stir fry. Then I'm gonna add in a little bit of tamari to season and give it that umami flavor. A little goes a long way. So tamari is a type of Japanese soy sauce. As a matter of fact, it is the origin of Japanese soy sauce. Tamari's history dates back to the 7th century when it was brought to Japan from China. It has been known in ancient times that they cooked and fermented soybeans to produce this tasty dark red paste, what Japanese call miso. So during the miso ripening process, a rich protein liquid accumulates, and people found the liquid so tasty, and this liquid was given the name tamari, which is where tamari comes from. Nowadays, with all of these different conventional methods, they have added wheat to soy sauce. So regular soy sauce that you get at the supermarkets have wheat added into it. So it's not as bold in flavor and it's not as dark as tamari. So as a chef, I love using tamari because it's richer in flavor and there's no added wheat, which if you're trying to be gluten-free, this is a fantastic way to season your food, give it that extra umami taste. Different ways that you can actually include sanjay tamari is in stir fries, on top of an egg, used to season a fish, and of course, eating sushi. The flavors are bold and you can find even low sodium tamari. Sanjay also offers variety of different cooking sauces that make it easy to cook delicious Asian dishes if you like to take a little shortcut. Flavor that enhances any type of cuisine. So it's perfect for stir fries, marinades, and used as dipping sauces. Also great to add to soups, sauces, and casseroles. Alright guys, so that was some ways that you guys can include tamari into your everyday. Hope you guys enjoyed it so much. Check out sanjay.com for full recipes. And also, next stop, we are going to be visiting Chef Matsumoro on how he creates authentic Japanese cuisine, sushi, and how to eat sushi with tamari. I'm super excited. We're also going to be sharing a recipe you guys can make at home. Hope you guys stay tuned. Make sure you guys check out the recipe at sanjay.com. Bye. See you guys soon.